Hello guys, welcome to unboxing. So today we are unboxing a phone. This is the Tecno Spark 8P. Just comes a few months after they launched the Tecno Spark 8. Awesome, I'm really excited to see what's inside here. Let's see whether Tecno have stuck with their USB Type-C, whether they've given us a charger. Let's also see whether they've given us earphones. Yeah, let's just unbox this and see what's inside here. So expectations are really high, so let's just do this. This is the packaging. This is how it looks. Tecno Spark 8, the 8 in white, the Spark in blue, the Tecno in blue, their signature color. Then a tiny P just here. Then on the side there is the seal, which we've time and again told you guys that if you're buying this phone, just make sure the seal is there. Then Spark 8 again, a small P. Then just a few of what to expect from the phone. That is a 50 megapixel ultra clear AI triple camera, 1080p full HD, dot notch 6.6 display, octa-core processor. They've not talked about the chipset on the box. 5000 milliamperes per hour. Long-lasting battery, fingerprint unlock. Let me just see what this one is on the side. Super boost system optimization. Probably trying to tell us why they've not included the chipset on the box for people to be able to see before they buy the phone. So I have removed the seal. This is how the box looks without the seal. This is the phone itself. Some specs. On this cover of the phone, 50 megapixel again, 1080p full HD, dot notch display with 6.6 inches, speed octa-core processor, 5000 milliamperes per hour long lasting battery, side fingerprint. This one is kind of exciting because the Spark 8 actually had this fingerprint at the rear. I think that kind of fingerprint position is kind of outdated at this point, and Tecno have actually managed to give it to us on the side, which is awesome because the Tecno Common 18 actually has it on the side. Stereo sound effect DTS, awesome. So these days they ship with the stop at nothing, especially the Spark series, because the Tecno Common 18 did not have this slogan at the back. As you can see, it doesn't have that slogan at the back, but the Common, the Tecno Spark 8 actually has stop at nothing. Yes, but this one doesn't. So this is the screen of the phone. Looks kind of sleek. This is the side where they say the fingerprints are supposed, this fingerprint sensor is supposed to be. Then of course they removed the fingerprints from the rear. It's a triple camera here, you can see it. They still retain this kind of design from the Tecno Spark 8 itself. Yeah, then the slogan has said this is kind of gold glow. This phone is it bluish on one side. As you can see, on one side is kind of bluish, and on the other side is has a kind of gold glow, so it's kind of dual color. The earphone jack port, the USB type B. Here single speaker at the bottom, no rear speaker, a dot notch. Yeah, this for the retailer. 12+1 warranty. Now this one, as we always say in all our videos, make sure that somebody helps you get the warranty. The clear case with again a Manchester City logo here, the official partner. Perfect fit. Wow. I'm worried for the camera because this case is not like covering the camera. They're likely to just be on the surface as you place the phone. USB type B, earphones, that's it. Then the charging adapter. So that is basically it for the Tecno Spark 8P. They've given us possibly everything that a phone requires to have when it's being sold. That is the charging adapter, the USB charging cable, earphones, phone itself and a clear cover, a warranty card. So thank you so much for watching. Now these phones, once they're unboxed, we have the open box deals, which are really awesome, and you guys can always get them from our social media pages, and we'll deliver this to you. We deliver for free within Nairobi CBD at a cost outside Nairobi CBD, but we deliver all our products within 24 hours, and within the Nairobi CBD less than an hour. Inside Nairobi Metropolitan, within 2 hours you have your product. So thank you so much for watching. Let's see what to expect next from Tecno.